This is my student support system. Keep watching, keep learning.
Trachea. Trachea, it is also known as windpipe. It is a tubular pathway for air that is about 12 centimeter long and 2.5 centimeter in diameter. It is located anterior to esophagus and extends from larynx to the superior border of fifth thoracic vertebra, where it divides into right and left pulmonary bronchi. We call it bronchus if we want to say a single bronchus, and plural is bronchi. So it starts from just after the larynx to fifth thoracic vertebra before dividing. So this part is known as trachea. The trachea is composed of three layers of tissue and is held open or patent by 16 to 20 incomplete or C-shaped ring of hyaline cartilage lying one above the other. The rings are incomplete posteriorly. The cartilage are embedded in a sleeve of smooth muscle and connective tissue, which also form the posterior wall where the rings are incomplete. Trachea is lined with ciliated columnar epithelium containing mucus secreting goblet cells. What are the functions of trachea? Number one, support and patency. The tracheal cartilage hold the trachea permanently open or patent, but the soft tissue band which is behind or posteriorly allow flexibility, and we can move the neck easily without obstructing or kinking the trachea. Second is mucociliary escalator. This is the synchronous and regular beating of cilia of mucous membrane lining that waft the mucus with adherent particles upwards and towards the larynx, where it is either swallowed or coughed up. Next function of trachea is cough reflex. The nerve endings in the larynx, trachea and bronchi are sensitive to irritation. The reflex motor response is deep inspiration followed by closure of epiglottis. The abdominal and respiratory muscle then contract and suddenly the air is released under pressure, expelling the mucus or the foreign material from the mouth, warming and humidifying and filtering of the air. These continue as in the nose, although air is normally saturated and at body temperature when it is reaches to the trachea.
My student support system. Keep watching, keep learning.